All right, so we're here with our Bahnhof 6-puck sprung disc, and it's been in the car. Geez, I put this clutch in there pre-2016, so that's at least 8 years. That's pretty crazy. And it's worn down about to the rivets, but not quite there. Probably has a little bit of life left on it, but now's a good time to change it. And if you can see, there's no crazy hot spots. The pressure plate is still intact. All the fingers are there. All the springs look good. The clutch disc looks good. All the springs are intact, you know. Nothing failed. It's not even worn out 8 years later. So I'd say that holds up pretty well. And this clutch, when I first put it in, would bark shifting second to third, crossing the quarter mile at 87 miles an hour with my stock KA. And when I kick the clutch, it breaks the tires loose because of the extra rotating mass from the hard body flywheel. The 350Z clutch is probably like at least 8 pounds heavier than the stock 240SX clutch assembly. So you kick the clutch, that rotating mass spins out, you let off the clutch, this thing bites. It's on or off, it's binary, and that tail end is coming around. If you got some tires that a stock KA can drift. So Bahnhof clutch, I'll give it 8.5 out of 10, just because, you know, it with the hard body flywheel and 350Z clutch assembly being heavier, yeah, that helped step that rear end out, but it doesn't rev as fast. So 8.5 out of 10.